What is up, YouTube? Nah, I'm playing. What's up, y'all? Carlos here again. I know it's been a minute since I've even said anything on the channel, since I've uploaded, since anything. Life has happened. A lot has happened. A lot has changed. A lot of things have come, gone, whatever, yada, yada, yada. You know what I'm saying? But hopefully we could try. Sorry, got interrupted. Hopefully we could try to come back, drop some bangers for y'all. The EG is still in the works. Financial situations have arose, so it's a little harder to financially provide for the EG. However, I do have some other content for you guys that I suppose I could show you guys while I am waiting to get the funds for the EG. Unfortunately, it is bad news, but not for long, y'all. Not for long. I'm gonna show y'all. Just be ready. It's trigger warning. Trigger warning. As y'all can see, I crashed the LS. Oh man, what a day that was. A lot of tears, a lot of everything, a lot of emotions. So yeah, I crashed the LS. Unfortunately, as y'all know, this is my baby. This is my daily driver. It was my daily driver. I mean, this thing will still turn on though, you know what I'm saying? This thing can still make it to Cali if you need it. But regardless of the fact, this thing is my first car, my favorite car. I will never get rid of this thing. As you can see, it's still in pieces in my fucking backyard. I've taken off a lot of stuff. As you see, the main damage is to the passenger side. Luckily, there was no passenger with me when I got into the car accident. I will say right at this moment, it was my fault for the car accident. No, I wasn't racing. No, I wasn't at a takeover. I wasn't doing nothing stupid. I was looking in my rearview mirror on the highway to get over, and I rear-ended someone. So, pretty stupid mistake, but you know, you live and you learn. So, this is the current state of the car, as you guys can see. Windshield is cracked. Passenger side frame rail is all bent in. Main frame rail is a little bent in, nothing too bad. Hood is all messed up. Obviously the fender, radiator support. I can show you guys inside. The motor is still fine. A little bit. Power steering pump got messed up. ABS. Good amount of stuff got messed up. I won't lie. However, all fixable. You know what I'm saying? That thing, when I crashed this thing on the highway, it still turned on, boy. So let's just keep that in mind. And let me show y'all what I got. We are now in the trailer, boys. As you can see, brand new used radiator with the shroud and stuff. And as you can see, the monstrosity of parts back here. I have two fenders for the Ls400, a new intake with mass airflow sensor, new crash bar, new front bumper, new radiator fan. Come over here. I should have recorded this, y'all, so I'm sorry, but I did cut the front end off of the other Lexus that I murdered, unfortunately. I'll try to show a picture on the screen of what I did to the LS. I still need to get the hood. I still need to get a lot of things for the LS, but I just thought I'd show you guys what I do have, because we will be beginning to cut off the front end off the other of my LS, so we can start to weld it on. Obviously, this is not an ideal situation. If you crash your car, I would not recommend doing this. The only reason I'm doing this is because I truly do love this car, and I can't imagine living without it. So I'm spending way too much time and money on fixing it, and having my dad do a lot of free labor. So, but if you guys have a dad that knows how to do everything, then go for it. But luckily, I've been blessed with a father that knows how to do everything, and I could just cut stuff off of the car. So, hopefully the LS will be back soon. There is really no telling how long, but I will be recording the progress. And yeah, let's get into it. What is this called, Dad?
Come along.
You gotta come along. Because it's gonna come along.
Exactly why it's called the come along. Because it's supposed to just come along.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as you saw, we pulled out some of the corner. Now I have to begin taking off all the electronicals, window wiper fluid, bunch of bull crap, so we can begin to cut and to go from there. So I was just taking stuff off the car, but Jesus Christ, man, look at that sunset. Sure is a work of art, ain't it? God, really gotta appreciate stuff like this. Ladies and gentlemen, after multiple clips and, well, for me, months, not months, maybe like 2-3 months, the Lexus finally get ready to get the front end on. A lot of trouble, difficulties getting a lot of stuff. As you can see, I had to get a new power steering pump. As you can see, this is the old pulley still on. As you can see, it is a little bent. So we got the new one right here from the junkyard. Everything I've done so far, well, it's not new power steering, I mean water pump, but it's a non-broken one. Had to get new distributor caps, new spark plug wire. I believe that's truthfully all I had to replace. I mean, obviously the front I had to replace, but besides that, not too bad, truthfully. We did start it the other day, it still starts. We'll see if I can get a clip of that on here. The brake, so this was the main concern I had here with this brake, the ABS here, because as you can see, obviously it got pushed back about like 2-3 inches. The lines obviously got a little bent. Most of them, in my opinion, seem fine. The only one I am questionable about is this one right here. See if I can get this to focus on it. Kind of see it. This one right here, as you can see, this one got bent pretty bad. But I don't really want to replace brake lines, as you guys remember with my Honda Civic. I hate it. I had to put all the brake lines on there, and that sucked. So we're gonna, hopefully that'll work. Obviously, if it doesn't work, I will replace it because I'm not trying to not be able to stop and die. Got the new hood ready. Got my doggles over there too. So I'm gonna get this new power steering pulley on, and yeah, let's weld the front.
So when I die, which I must do, could it shine down here with you? Just my love is mine, all mine. my baby here on earth showed me what my heart was worth. So when it comes to be my turn, could you shine it down here for her? 'Cause my love is mine, all mine. I love mine. Nothing in the world belongs to me but my love, mine, all mine. Nothing in the world is mine for free but
Boom.
That's pretty damn good, dude, I think.
That is pretty good. Very good. Can't even tell. Forgot to record, but got the new hood on, new fenders. Now, just getting everything lined up. So,
A little bit of adjustment.
but I think it's pretty spot on. I wouldn't be able to tell. I mean, unless anyone's really looking, I don't think anyone's gonna be able to tell. So,
Yeah, I think you gotta know.
but I mean, yeah, that fit was pretty good. Look at that.
Not bad.
For a backyard job, it's pretty clean.
Yeah, that's good.
Door still opens. Hit. Shoot. Not too shabby at all. Ladies and gentlemen, I have skipped a lot of parts because I'm just excited to finally be able to drive this car again. But I have practically everything on here. Radiators on, tensioner belt, which was the hardest thing in the world for some reason. Everything's hooked up, I think. I'm pretty sure everything's hooked up. We'll find out when we try to turn it on, if it doesn't turn on. But I'm gonna finish getting it buttoned up real quick and try to take it for a test drive. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to turn it on now. This is gonna be kind of hard to film because I'm by myself. However, I will try my best for you guys. So, I'm going to set it there. And we're gonna try to turn it on and hopefully it turns on. Stop. Stop. Okay, I think. So, I don't know what happened, but I tried to turn it on right now and it made a. I don't like the way it looked. Obviously, I can't. It seemed like this hits. Yeah, this is right here. Okay. So that's hitting, right? Okay. I think that's not clear. Kinda hitting the fan. The protective shroud is kinda hitting the fan. Hold on. Well, let me try to take this off. Okay. Attempt 2. Hopefully the fan isn't hitting me. So, first off, the fan is spinning very vigorously. Yeah, that's definitely a problem. I think the fan got bent in the car accident. Hold on. Truthfully, it doesn't seem that bad. It does sound very fucking loud, which is kind of concerning me. But, I mean, technically speaking, it's working. So, we're going to turn it off. I mean, the dash, I don't think it's reading temps, but ABS light is on, obviously. It's a dashboard fucking Christmas tree, but we'll turn it off for now. I think, oh, well, I gotta wait for my dad to come because he's gotta come see it. But however, I believe, to my knowledge, that's pretty solid. That's pretty solid. That's not too bad. I mean, all things considered, it is running. Okay, it does look pretty good with the whole front end on. I don't think it's that bad. Truthfully, for a backyard job, I think it's incredible. I think me and my dad did a great job, mainly my dad. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna try to get everything buttoned up. But I think that's it for this video, guys. I appreciate you guys coming along this journey with me on fixing the LS, my baby. This thing will never die. Never die. But appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Till the next one.